Hey there and welcome! I am Walmart Chef Suzanne Clark. Let's make some teriyaki turkey lettuce wraps, an installment in our $20 Meals for 4 series. For this recipe, we will need ground turkey, fajita blend, teriyaki wing seasoning, broccoli slaw, lettuce, and your choice of sauce. As you can see, I started cooking some ground turkey. Now I'm going to add this fajita blend. You may think of only adding this ingredient to your favorite Mexican dish, but it's really a great time saver. It is pre-cut and just the perfect amount of peppers and onions. Now let's add the seasoning. Typically, I would use this to make wings, but it really can be used in so many different ways. Instead of buying multiple jars of seasoning, you have the perfect balance of spices right here. Continue cooking until the vegetables have softened and the turkey is thoroughly cooked. To serve, all we need to do is to place some of this delicious filling in your favorite type of lettuce. I'm using butter lettuce today because I think that the leaves are just the perfect size. Sprinkle on some broccoli slaw and add your favorite sauce to finish. With a little planning, you can make this delicious and healthy recipe with ingredients from Walmart. The best part is you do not have to spend a lot of money to feed your family well. If you enjoyed this recipe, please subscribe to the Walmart Chef series on YouTube.